Hello YouTube, welcome to my YouTube channel and at Bella, and today I am at RSPB Saltholme. Let's see what we can see here.
What's that down there? Any idea?
What, the one with little...
It's like white with...
brown?
Yeah. I think it's well, that's it I think. I used Google Lens. It's a juvenile black-headed bird, I don't know what that is.
I don't think it is.
It's a juvenile something.
No, it doesn't look gully. Mystery birds. It's all good. And there's the Mad Hatter's Tea Party. So this is Paddy's Pool at Saltholme, which is an RSPB place. £9 to get in for an adult. Lovely views. So this is the massive play area they have here. It's obviously adventure play, so it's intended for close adult supervision and adult guided play with your child, because some of the stuff is quite complicated. Fireman's pull down. It is so cute. That's clearly a newer bit. It's lovely. Swings there, basket swing there, disabled swing there as well. That's for smaller children, but it is trippy. So, lovely. This is the entranceway to the Pollinator Garden, which was developed by Chris Birchall. Pollinator Gardens. So everything in here is designed for bees, butterflies, dragonflies. So they've got a pond, obviously, to pollinate. So if you've got an allergy, bring your EpiPen. Oh, look at that! Phoenix. Lovely. That play equipment will please my physio no end, because it was all balanced. So that's good. This place feels like a mixture of between Kew Gardens and adventure play area that you'd get on a big estate, and then bird watching. This is the path. Look at this, it's so shady. I am in a t-shirt and shorts because it's warm, but yet cool. This is the last shot. Not as loud as Hicks Lodge, but you can't get as close as you can at the Attenborough Nature Centre in Nottingham. But the Attenborough Nature Centre in Nottingham doesn't have the extensive Pollinator Garden or the adventure play that they have here. We do have a cafe and a visitor centre, which is here. So hopefully I'm going to be able to go up top and see what we can see there. Well, I hope you enjoyed my trip to RSPB Saltholme. It's in between Hartlepool and Middlesbrough. Yeah, because that's where I'm on holiday. Sorry for the delay. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I hope you're having a great summer.